What is a programming language?
A programming language is a special way for humans to give instructions to computers. Just like we use English or other languages to talk to people, a programming language lets us talk to computers and tell them what we want them to do.
Why do we need programming languages?
Computers can only understand very basic commands in their own machine language. Programming languages let us write instructions in a form that's easier for us to understand. These instructions are then translated so the computer can follow them exactly.
How do programming languages work?
When you write a program, you're using a programming language to tell the computer step by step what to do. A special tool called a compiler or interpreter turns your code into instructions the computer can follow. This process helps bring software to life.
Examples of popular programming languages.
You might have heard of languages like Python, JavaScript, or Java. Each programming language has its own rules and best uses. For example, Python is popular for beginners and data science, while JavaScript is widely used for creating websites.
Why learning to program matters.
By learning a programming language, you gain the power to create software, apps, games, and more. Whether you want to build websites, analyze data, or automate everyday tasks, programming opens up endless possibilities in today's digital world.